Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Chicken Kathi Rolls are a delightful way to bring the taste of Indian street food to your home, thanks to the lip-smacking taste of juicy chicken with flaky parathas. Let's grind some ginger and garlic in a stone mortar and pestle to increase the flavor of the marination. Add some mustard oil, ginger garlic paste, some yogurt, and masala powders like turmeric, chili, coriander, garam masala, and cumin powder. Add some salt and mix it. The delicious marination is ready. Now add the chicken strips into it. Coat the chicken pieces really well in the marination and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. An infused smoke flavor in any dish takes it to another level. So let's try it here as well. Place a charcoal piece with some ghee in it, cover it for 10 minutes, and the chicken is ready to cook. So heat some oil in a pan, add some crushed garlic with some sliced onion and some bell peppers. Saute it for some time. You don't have to cook it too long. Once the onion gets slightly sweet, you can add the chicken. So have you ever tried any Kathi rolls before? So which is your favorite filling? Chicken, paneer, or something else? Do let me know in the comment section below. Add all the marinated chicken in the pan, give it a mix, cover it and cook. And in between, make sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future videos. Now our chicken filling is also ready. Let's start cooking some parathas for the roll. So here I've used frozen parathas. You can also try with Malabar paratha or some chapatis. But let me tell you, these frozen parathas for the Kathi rolls are just perfect. It's so easy to make and makes the dish so rich. So definitely try this Kathi rolls with the frozen parathas. It is easily available at any store or you can buy it online. Now add a beaten egg onto the paratha. Just flip it 2-3 times and cook the egg. Now let's assemble the roll. So take one paratha with the egg, add the chicken filling. Add some freshly sliced onions with some chaat masala. Add some tomato sauce and some chili sauce. And that's it. Just wrap it up. Wrap it with a butter paper. And there you go. Our tasty and delicious chicken kathi roll is ready. So how do you like your kathi rolls? With egg or without? Do let me know in the comment section with your valuable suggestions. Make sure to click the subscribe button. We improve and come up with more unique recipes as we gain more subscribers. Thank you.